So we're done with the check-in, tapos sa immigration. At tagalang lang ni sa e-travel. So we're going to our gate na. So ang gate na to, may E7. And medyo antok na. And then kakain lang kami konti. Then mag-nap muna. And then waiting for boarding na. Ang super laki talaga ng airport ng Qatar. Hamad International Airport. Ang daming students, guys. So beautiful garden, man-made in the middle of the airport. So we will check what's in there. Actually, nakita na ni Namo ni Carol, napuntahan na ni Namo before, but we will see kung may additional ba or wala. So sa mga nature lover at gusto mag-relax while waiting, it's real. Gusto mo picturean kita dyan, me? Suroy-suroy sa taris ilang forest sa kagabion. See? Pwede ka mag-relax. May mga camping house so pwede ka muligid. You can relax actually. Sa kalayo sa gilakaw namo is so far, gate E7. So nagutom kaya nag-drop by muna si Carol dito. Ayun, bumili.
Ayan, second meal.
They're enjoying their second meal. What do you have, Carol? What do you have?
Egg omelet with bacon.